Hello and welcome to Class Video Tutorials, the first video on how to access Seesaw with a text code. Let's check it out. First we have to go to the app at seesaw.me. Okay, and we should be there, and we're going to click on I'm a student, and let's not pay attention to everything up here, nor to the scan code that we were using before with the QR code. I think it could be easier to get in with just a text code. So with the code that you received, let's go. And that should get us in. Go. And we should be into Seesaw. And here we have the journal, and that's for communication. We have, oh, there he is. He hasn't approved this yet. And we get our list of activities here, and we're in. And I hope that helps out, and I hope you enjoy working in Seesaw. There should be more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.